Pattern 23. Step 1.
1. I can't understand why he doesn't like me. 2. I can't understand why they closed early. 3. I can't understand why you're so angry. 4. I can't understand why I got fired. 5. I can't understand why this is so expensive.
Step 2. 1.
Nancy is not going to come to the party with us.
I can't understand why she is being so childish.
Her feelings are hurt.
Well, I hope she gets over it.
I want you to read chapters 1 through 5 this weekend.
I can't understand why you give us so much homework.
I give you so much homework because I want you to learn the material.
I want to learn, I just don't want to do homework on the weekend.